Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm primarily focuses on family law. If you want to find out about that, of course you can call us, but if you want a sort of nondescript, confidential way of finding out about it, subscribe to our channel and learn a lot of interesting and helpful information regarding that interesting subject in the law. Today we're going to talk about the cost of legal separation. Well, what's the cost of legal separation? How much does it cost a person to hire a law firm to represent them in a legal separation? Well, the answer is that it's pretty much going to cost you the same as a divorce, because the entire effort made in a divorce is the same as that which is made in a separation. And it's interesting because some people will say, well, I've been quoted a $5,000 retainer for a divorce. How much for a separation? As if that's, makes a big difference. The truth of the matter is, what the public doesn't always understand is the effort made to get a judgment of separate maintenance or a judgment of separation as such versus the effort made to get a judgment of divorce. From the attorney's standpoint, it's exactly the same thing. We still have to determine custody, parenting time, support. We still have to divide up all the assets. We have to allocate liabilities. We have to do every single thing that we had to do before, only at the end of the day, the judge is going to enter a judgment of separate maintenance, and that's what it's called, rather than a judgment of divorce. But with the exception of those couple words, that judgment is going to have to cover all the provisions of the divorce, which means a judgment of separation, you have to go through the same proofs, the same effort, the same everything. So what is that going to cost? It's going to depend on the complexity of the project. To some degree, saying what is a divorce cost or what is a separation cost is like asking what does a house cost? Well, it depends. How many stories? How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? How many square feet? All of these things factor into the cost of a house. Every house is different. Every house has a different price tag, and every divorce is different. Every separate maintenance or separation action is different. It depends on its complexity. In general, you're going to find a wide variety of costs depending on who you ask. However, if you go to lawyers who are general in the same area and you explain to them the same subject matter, you tell them exactly what the project is, you'll probably find that firms who practice this for a long time, who do this for a living, who aren't necessarily budget firms, but who take this work very seriously and represent a lot of people in helping them solve these problems, their prices are ultimately going to be within the same 5–10% of each other. Every now and then you'll find somebody who's outrageously overpriced, and also you'll find somebody who's going to do it at a bargain price. The guy who's outrageously overpriced probably doesn't want your work, and the guy who's doing it at a bargain probably isn't highly skilled, and that's why you're getting what you pay for. So I can't tell you exactly what it costs, but I can tell you if you give us a call today, let us know what your situation is. Of course, we'll be able to give you an idea of what the budgets are with regard to that kind of case.